So, hello, how are you? And Kowloon to you too. Okay, so let's unbox this. You might have seen this on my initial impressions. Yeah, looks very nice. Okay, if you don't want to know the backstory, it's there in the previous video's description. I'll leave the link below the like button. Okay, let's unbox this. I hope everything's visible, neat and clean. Oh, new knife. Okay, multi-purpose knife. Also not new. Okay, let's open it. Oh, crap. This is not at all helpful. Damn you. And this. Neither this one. Yeah, no, it is fine. It came off. Okay. We have it. Nope. Not yet. What is the big deal now? Okay, we have it here. Dun-dun-na. Ooh, Kowloon HYPERVAN. Looks very nice. Look at this. This is what I was talking about in the last, video. I think they are the names of the characters. If you can read that. B-I, yeah, okay. I don't know. Let me know if you know what does that mean. The paint job. Oh, okay, the paint job's nice. A little bit. Okay, I can excuse that. These are nice. The tempo is nice. Yo, no front tempo at all. Oh, the front look is good. I liked it. There's the door here. I don't know if it opens. Okay, this is half neither open nor closed. I'll have to check it. No, it won't. No, it won't. This is the same thing. No rear tempo as well. The wheels are different sets of wheels. Front you get these wheels, and I don't know what do they call them. Rear you get these wheels with white rim. Okay, HD step. Let's do a roll test. Okay, it was smooth. Makes a lot of noise. Too much noise. But looks good actually. I will change the camera angle now. Okay, welcome back to the new angle. So this is how it looks. I think I can give you now a brief idea how does this look. I'm sorry for the bad lighting. I'm trying to figure it out, but I hope I can give you some pretty good angles. Yeah, no. Oh, did I mention it has these spoiler kind of thing? Okay, and it looks so good. There's a thumbs up emoji, like someone giving you a thumbs up. Yeah, what else can we see here? HWGRFX. Okay, HWGRFX, very nice. Interiors, I forgot about the interiors. Just a second, let me improve the lights. Are you able to see? I don't know if you are able to see that. The interiors look good. I'm sorry, my hands are shaking. The front looks actually very good, you know. It also kind of looks like how it is presented in this one. Please, you have to check out the impressions video or the further before part of this. Okay, very nice. Okay, so let me know what you think of this KOWLOON'D HYPERVAN, of this HYPERVAN. Okay, let's just call it HYPERVAN. Okay, let me know how it looks to you. Okay, one more second, just a second. Okay, let me compare it with this, you know, size comparison. This is the Ford Mustang. Okay, let's see. Okay, it is definitely taller. I don't know if it is in the same as in the width, like in the length. Let's check. Okay, I think they're almost the same. Yeah, width wise almost the same. Yeah, so there you have it. This was the full review of the HYPERVAN, and let me know what you guys think. Also, please do give it a like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my channel for, you know, unorthodox things, and subscription means a lot. Okay, please do subscribe, it means a lot, it helps the channel to grow. Okay, let your friends know about this channel. Yeah, nope. Okay, there you have it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Keep collecting. Bye bye.